Alright YouTube, how you guys doing today? And gals, this is my entry into the Airgun Depot Long Rangers contest. As you can see, I've got a steel spinning target set up at 200 yards. That's 200. Now, the golf ball is just to the left. We're going to try and capture this all in one shot with me in it. My name is Zach Barnholt. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. And I don't know, I'm pretty nervous about this. This has got me a little worried. So I'm going to zoom out here. Try not to make you sick. And as you can see, I got everything I need. I got my pellets. I got my airgun Matador R3 long in 25 caliber Hawk Sidewinder 30 scope, 6.5 to 20. I'm going to be shooting at 12 power to get the right amount of mil dots in my reticle in order to see it. So I've got it at about 6.3 mil hold. I'll step in front of the camera here in a minute. So I'm going to be shooting JSB King 25s, unsorted, unweighed, straight from the tin, no cleaning, no nothing. And we're going to try and hit a golf ball, Airgun Depot's golf ball, at 200 yards. Here's my rifle, guys, ladies, my Hawk, my airgun R3. This has been a pretty good gun so far. We're going to see how she does. Bipod sticks and laser rangefinder came in at exactly 201 yards. So, without any further ado, let's get to it before the wind gets too bad. Looks like everything's in the shot. So, here we go. I did take a couple of practice shots on a pink golf ball, and I was successfully able to hit it. This be it right here. We'll get rid of that guy. Let's get stable here. My bipod sticks. You guys should be able to see the wind with my wind meter. This is a single shot head gun. Set my parallax to 200. And I really hope I can do this on the first shot. A little bit of wind, left to right. Oh, just to the right of it. By about 2 inches. So that's shot number one. Wind's changing, it's picking up. It's a half value wind, left to right. I'm gonna hold 2 inches right. I think I was just under it. I saw a cloud of dust and you come up 0.1 mil. Third attempt, 3 shots, 200 yards. Let's go down and take a look. This baby does great. All right, YouTube, here's the long walk to confirm the kill. I know this is going to be long and boring, but we have to confirm the kill. Poor golf ball. It didn't do anything to me other than be there. Wow, only 3 shots, 2 narrow misses, got it on the third. Oh man, how rewarding. So, hopefully this SD card's got enough room on it. I hope. God, I hope I have one in it. Oh, I'm just kidding. So guys, over at Airgun Depot, this is not quite the farthest I've shot, but it's the farthest small thing I've shot. I've done soda cans a little past 230. Those are a lot bigger than a golf ball. Oh, here we come. I can see it. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day, and good luck on your entries. May you aim small, miss small, as they say in the movies. As strange as that sounds, it's actually true. About 50 yards to go. I know I'm talking your ear off. Oh well. Oh, I see a cloud of white dirt. There's my steel target. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I have hit it. And there's the broken golf ball. 200 yards. Right there. 200 yards. All the way back there. Let me fix this camera here a little bit. Zoom out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, shooters alike, the broken golf ball. Thank you very much, and everybody have a great year, great day, good weekend. Mine's starting off pretty good.